my friends. Well, today I have you looking over my shoulder because I'm going to be doing an embellishment, and I think it's easier if you're looking from this perspective rather than upside down. And if you saw this video, you may recall that I was tempted to add some trees, but I was afraid to do it while it was wet, pour the trees. So I decided to wait till it was dry, and then I got a lot of other suggestions about what might go on here. So I decided to have you, my loyal viewers, help me decide what to paint on here. So, if anything. So the options are leave it as is. Then I decided to paint on little plastic pieces and kind of get an idea what it might look like, the various options. So this is what I was thinking. Just some simple trees. And now these are just quickly done. I'll try to do a better job on the real thing. But that's what I had in mind, just to break up a little bit of this giant expansive sky. So that's one option, or two. Leave it alone. Trees. Somebody said, a few people said it looked like a desert scene, so I could do some kind of deserty looking plants, scrubby trees, and some cactus. And of course, I'm just holding it over here, but I could scatter them across the expanse there. I just the suggestion of these things. I'm not going to go crazy with them. So that would be number 3. Someone said it looked like a lake back here. So how about some sailboats? I know you can't see that very well. Let's see. Anyway, so that's an idea. So wouldn't be doing much to it, but just something that would just catch their eye and become a little bit of a focal point. And then my husband suggested, no surprise, look like a golf course. So there's a little golfer. Anyway, I'm not terribly enthused about that option, but so let me know in the comments below. Leave it alone. Trees, desert, sailboat, and I'm going to ignore anyone that says golf course. Okay, that's that. Next, my latest landscape I really struggled with, and then I went on my own time and used a palette knife and tried to dress it up a little bit. Added back in the mountains that I lost and toned down the lavender fields a little bit, and then added some flowery stuff in the foreground. Dressed up the sky a little bit. And I gave it away on a Facebook group. So I need to send that off soon, but I wanted to show you that. And then I thought maybe in this video I would try to fix this thing. This was my first landscape, and really I learned a lot with it. I don't love it at all, so I want to try to fix it. I know there's a bad glare there, but I think the sky I'm pleased with. I'm not going to do anything with that. This part, a few people mentioned, and I agree, it kind of looks like glacial mountains. And so that makes this part all wrong. My idea was flower fields and mountains, but it just didn't happen. So I'm going to use palette knives, and I'm going to make it into a glacial scene. I'm going to cover this all up and try to turn this into a winter landscape. So that's my idea. That's my plan. So let me pause here while I put out some paints, and then we'll get to work. Oh my gosh. I did it again. I hit stop instead of resume and went along my merry way. Although it wasn't pretty, I really struggled to come up with this. So I don't love it, but parts of it I do like. And I don't know. It's not worth bringing you in for a closer look. But I think I'd like to give it away to one of you, so go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll figure out some way to draw and send it to one of you. So let me know what you think about the first one. Please vote your choices on how or if to embellish that round one, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.